How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. We have kind of a crazy day right now. We just got some important economic data. We also have a crypto that's running 100% a day pretty much right now. And we have some big news about another crypto, a layer one that is now working with a $100 billion plus company. I'm going to try to keep it nice and short for you here today. If you don't mind, hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell notification so you can see future videos just like this. There are also links underneath the video. I would highly suggest signing up for Nord VPN. If you don't already use a VPN, definitely consider it. It will help protect you during the next bull run, and you do not want to be unprotected when you're in crypto. Now, as you can see, Bitcoin sitting right above 29,000, just went down a little bit a few minutes ago because of this. The US April unemployment rate falls to 3.4%. Estimate was 3.6%. Previous was 3.5%. This is the lowest since May 1969. Now, the problem is that we're still seeing a decent amount of wage inflation. So we're still seeing people get paid more, which is what concerns some investors, because that means that there's definitely a possibility that we could continue to see inflation running because people are getting paid more and more. If people get paid more and more, they're more willing to spend. They're going to buy things even if they're more expensive, causing more demand, not any more supply, which is kind of freaking out the market. Now, this itself is good. The unemployment rate falling is okay. I mean, some people would say, well, that means the Fed can continue to raise rates because unemployment's looking okay. And that's true. But that also means that we're less likely to hit a severe recession if everyone has jobs, which means that that should help out the markets, right? There aren't going to be people selling that have been holding on to Bitcoin or your favorite altcoin for the last 2 years, but now they're out of a job and now they have to sell off some kind of asset. They've seen the market down for, 12 months in a row, and now they're selling, right? The fact is that the unemployment rate being this low, I think overall helps out the market. And again, gets us closer to that soft landing, assuming wage growth stays low and we start to see services inflation come down. Now, with that in mind, we are still seeing some cryptos run. Like I said here, we're seeing an insane run in some cryptos. I think this is exactly what happened a few years ago in 2021. If you remember when there's all that news about China banning cryptocurrency and Bitcoin fell down to 30,000 and it just went here for a while, we had meme coin season. And we're starting to see that now. 𝗡𝗡 continues to run every single day. The market cap is over $1 billion now. It's the 43rd largest cryptocurrency, and just a few days ago, it broke the top 100. It continues to run up about 1,000% in the last 7 days. Some people have huge gains. And as you can see here, more people are searching for 𝗡𝗡 than NFTs by far, and almost as much as crypto. So there's so many people getting into this. They also had news that 𝗡𝗡 and 𝗡cie will be listed on Binance. And you can see both of them running up right now, both over 55% up on the day. I think this is something that happens consistently when the market is kind of sideways for long enough. People are looking for alpha. People like memes, especially on crypto Twitter, and people will ape into these. Now, there are some people that say that this is terrible for the crypto space because a lot of people will buy the top, right? When there's a crypto like this, it usually spikes up quickly. I mean, we can even look at something like Dogecoin, right? You don't want to be the person stuck that bought it at the peak of the hype. And there is a lot of hype right now. I mean, it's getting listed on Binance, but you can see on Dogecoin, right? When everyone was getting ready for SNL, it went from 26 cent crypto all the way up to 70 in a few days. And a lot of people were buying it at the very peak thinking, okay, I'll just get a 50% return if it goes from 65 up to $1. That's a pretty good return. I'll just do that real quick. And then it just fell and fell and fell and fell. And now there are a lot of bag holders. However, it does bring a lot of people. It brings a lot of people into meme coins, and it helps with adoption. JRNY Crypto makes a good point about this. People in the last bull market made their biggest gains in SHIB and other meme coins. And that's true of this too, right? There are a lot of people that bought 𝗡𝗡 when it was a $100 million market cap after it did like 100x, and they were still able to get a 10x. But again, you want to take profits. There's a sense that you don't want to because you'll miss out on gains. But if you've done a 2x, a 5x, a 10x, definitely consider it. Now, again, you don't want to be the person holding the bag on those, so be careful. But overall, it does bring some more excitement into crypto, which even if you're just watching, it's fun to watch, in my opinion. We also got news. Alibaba is now entering the metaverse on Avalanche. With Cloudverse, Alibaba's cloud's millions of clients can easily deploy custom metaverses and unlock new dimensions for customers. Avalanche will provide all blockchain elements for the Cloudverse. More information on that here. Basically, just an end-to-end platform for companies to customize and maintain their metaverse spaces and find new ways of engaging with customers. I think this is good, mostly because some of the metaverses are so bad. If they could kind of do like a one-size-fits-all, but you can customize the mechanics or the colors or the buildings and that kind of thing, I think that would be good overall for the metaverse. But I think this is a little bit late. If this was announced like a year and a half ago, that would have been nuts. It would have pushed up Avalanche 40, 50% in a day. Avalanche really hasn't done too much on this news. But part of that was it moved up a couple percent and then just fell right back down because of the overall market not doing much. And I think, like I said, metaverses just aren't in the same place that they were a year and a half ago. I think a lot of people have just turned to AI and memes right now and hard assets, right? Something like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Now, if you're worried about how this affects you, right? If you don't care about memes, you can still benefit from meme coin season. So the reason I say that is this is causing a lot of people to use the Ethereum network. And we can see that with ultrasound money, so many people are now using Ethereum. And over the last 7 days, Ethereum on an annualized basis has been burning about 1.5%. The assumptions or the estimates were about 2% a year if we hit another bull market. And we're already close to that in meme season, in the bear market. So this is great for Ethereum holders. Overall, there are a lot of people burning. I saw some metrics showing that there's about 5,300 Ethereum that have been burned just from 𝗡𝗍𝗡 over the last 7 days. So this is good for Ethereum holders, even if you're not in on 𝗡𝗡𝗡 itself. Now, let me know your thoughts on all this underneath the video. Let me know what you think about that unemployment rate. Do you think that's actually good for the market? Or do you think that actually shows that the Fed can continue to raise rates? Again, I think it's going to depend on inflation mostly, and we'll get CPI data next week. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.